So let's start with the absolute basics here. How do valves get their names in the first place? Well, the simple answer is the valve is 9 times out of 10 named after the type of disc it uses. And the disc is this center component here. This is the bit that does the opening and closing and regulating of the valve. And in this case, our disc is, as the label says, a ball. So this is a ball, and if we check out another design now, here is another valve design. This is a needle valve, and the needle valve has a disc shaped like a needle. That is this area here. And our final example would be a gate valve. You can see this gate, it actually raises and lowers, or is raised and lowered. And it's similar to a gate that they would use at a castle. In other words, it drops down and it is raised up. And that is a gate type valve. So that is 9 times out of 10 how valves get their names, but there are exceptions, and I'll show you one now. We can see here that this type of valve, which is a globe valve, does not have a disc that is spherical in shape or shaped like a globe. That is the disc here. Zoom in. And it doesn't look like a globe whatsoever. It would be more called the flat pancake valve. But if we spin around, the valve body itself is slightly spherical. And this is the reason why the valve is called a globe valve. So, although the rule is that the valve should be named after the disc, there are exceptions, and the globe valve is one of them. However, for the ball, butterfly, needle, and diaphragm valves, they are all named after the type of disc used.